If you are interested in joining Navy Federal, here's a script that you want to use to get in. Hi, Navy Federal. Hi, my name is so-and-so, and my father was in the Navy. He has since passed away, but he had a Navy Federal bank account, and he always used to speak so highly of Navy Federal. Therefore, I wanted to sign up for a Navy Federal bank account today. Do you have the DDT 14 number? No, unfortunately, I don't know where that information is at, nor do I have his banking info, and I was hoping I could just give you his name to plug into your system, so that way I could go ahead and get my account open today. Just give the representative the first and last name. Again, most people do not have relation to Army or military that are Navy Federal members. They simply lie to get in. If that is something that you're okay with, then you can simply say that your father, your grandfather, your brother, whomever that would qualify you to get in, that's a family member, was in the service. And if you really do have a brother, then that's great. They don't need to be a Navy Federal member in order to get in. They just have to be affiliated with the service. And honestly, you do not have to give them any sort of DDT 14 number. That's why I always recommend that you call them over the phone and just explain that your father was in the Navy and he would qualify you to be a Navy Federal member. If there is long silences, don't say anything else, just stay quiet. Now, I did put the script in the email here, so you'll be able to get that exact script. And if you feel like the conversation is not going well with the representative, hang up, call back, and say, hey, I'm sorry, I was just disconnected. I must have gone through a bad service area, but the previous rep was just finalizing my new checking account. Now you can load your Navy Federal checking account with a credit card. I recommend loading the Navy Federal bank account with as high of a number as possible. Why? Because we want to use these funds to do the pledge loan. What we're going to do is once we get established, we'll move those funds into our savings account, and then you can call Navy Federal and do a pledged loan. That is a certificate secured pledge loan where you basically are taking your cash that's in your savings account and pledging it to them installment loan. And again, that installment loan is not going to require a hard inquiry, but it is going to report as a primary credit trade line on your credit reports to help you build credit with both Navy Federal, well, build that relationship with Navy Federal, and then of course build credit with all the three major credit bureaus. Again, guys, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel Credit Coach Nicole Scott and follow me on Instagram. If you are wanting to connect more, I've left links below for you to book a call. Until next time, take care and take action.